Now the drawing showed just gluing the four sides to the top, the two ends in front and back, and then putting some brads to hold it together. They had an alternate, which was to put in this groove and bevel the lid. But what I've decided to do is go ahead and put that groove in, and also get this back in there. I did a rabbet joint at this end, at both ends. So now everything should fit together. There, like that. Oops. Anyway, so you got a rabbet joint and then this groove, and that'll hold the lid panel in the top. Can all be glued, and then I won't have to brad nail it. So that's what I'm going to do. So this thing, I'll show you what the pieces look like. And then the top panel just has a groove all the way around.